This court will help those people in a big way. Purpose of judiciary is not only to deliver justice, but the purpose of judiciary is to deliver justice to the remainder of the place from who cannot come to the court. Now, this court, many do not know what will be the functioning of this court. Under the Act, under the scheme, we are having what is called as headquarters of the court Gram Nyayalaya. And the premises where we are today will be the headquarters for this court. This court headquarters will be open throughout the week. The functioning of the court, actual court will be such that under the scheme, a vehicle has been provided. This vehicle is equipped with all the facilities of a court. It is a mobile court. In the vehicle, there is a place for the judge to sit. There is a place for the advocates to sit. There is a place for the litigants to sit and conciliators. There is also provision for taking typing and dictation of whatever is recorded in the court. This court will go to the doorsteps of the people in the sense that a permanent place in the remotest of the area which is more convenient for both the parties depending upon the.
As we inaugurate the first Gram Nyayalaya state of Goa today, we are optimistic that it will fulfill its purpose of delivering accessible, swift and affordable justice to the people. This court embodies the vision of reducing delay and fostering a participatory approach to dispute resolution. Our commitment remains firm in upholding fairness and equity, ensuring that justice reaches to the doorstep of every individual in need.